Hello, my name is Gilmer. I'm from BugLabs, and we produce the Bug. It's a device platform. It's completely open, hardware and software. We have essentially a base unit, which has got Linux on it, and a set of modules you can connect and configure to create your own kinds of gadgets. So currently we have a accelerometer and motion detector. So if you connect this to a Bug like this, and put it facing something, if motion passes it, it will detect it, and you can write programs to trigger an alarm or email you. So as a kid, it would be great to have one of these in your room, to see if your parents come in your room, it detects it and tell you that something's going on. But it also internally has a built-in accelerometer, which is 3-axis, so you can get G-forces in 3 directions just by moving the device, which is really fun for, I think, understanding how physics works. Maybe in an educational context is a lot of fun. So when I was doing, my physics problems in high school with the vectors, and you have to, A, B, and C, and do all this complex math, it would have been much more interesting if I could have actually seen that happen in real time. I think the Bug might be potentially good for stuff like that. In addition to that, we have a LCD module, which is a touchscreen. It's the same LCD that's available in the iPod video. It's a quarter VGA, and plug this in. I might get the flashlight. Flashlight is a nickname for our application, which is, it just turns white, that's all. But sometimes that's useful. It's not turning on right now. But the LCD, I'll bring up the display. There's flashlight right there. The ultimate application. It'll bring up a windowing system, which lets you do like web browsing, managing contacts, that sort of general purpose PDA stuff. In addition to that, we have a GPS module, which will give you your location if it syncs. We have a mount for an external antenna, so if you're in a building like this, you're probably not going to get a signal, but you touch that. And one of the cool things about the Bug is that every module is hot pluggable. So if I plug in the GPS, any programs I have running or installed on my Bug will just start up if they need location. And if I unplug GPS, then those applications shut down. It's kind of automatic task management. In addition to that, each module supports a web service interface, so I can go to a web browser if I'm connected this to a network and get my location from the GPS module. I can get the last time motion was detected from the motion detector, and I can also get the current G-forces that are being experienced by the accelerometer sensor. The last module we're currently shipping is the camera. It's a 2-megapixel camera. It's a part you'd commonly find on a smartphone. It has a little flash thing in there, and you can basically build software camera apps with this. So this is what we're shipping now. We are about to come out with some new modules, for example, Wi-Fi, Zigbee radio, GSM data, and an audio module, which is coming out very soon. So that's the Bug.